Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. Not many people talk about them. They are usually on the radar. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Ajmal. Yes, it's House of Ajmal because again, it's not just a brand, they make everything from scratch to the perfume inside the company, and they are based in Middle East, UAE, United Arab Emirates. They've been around for maybe 30 years or maybe even more, and they have very extensive lineup of fragrances, and they are niche company. The reason is because they don't make anything else. Their only concentration is on perfumes. So they have many varieties of fragrances in their portfolio. Over probably 100 perfumes, oils, attars and things like that. And from time to time they release very affordable fragrances that are very good value for money, and they smell amazing. I unboxed and reviewed two of their cheaper lineup, and they were very impressive. So that's why I went and bought another one, and this one is called Ajmal Majestica. Ajmal Majestica, and this one is Eau de Parfum 100 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it under £20. So when I saw it, I was intrigued. I had to get it to see how it goes. So before I do that, if you like what I do, if you find it informative, useful or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you encourage me, you help me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So as you can see, very colorful, beautiful green shade color box, and the attention to details everywhere. Sorry about the noise. Middle Eastern brands always give you everything plus the kitchen sink in there, what you pay. So I paid under £20 for this. Okay, and let's see the bottle. Gorgeous bottle, look at that, beautiful. So the same coloring as the box, but look at that, heavy bottle. It says Majestica Ajmal, and a beautiful golden cap. The cap's got a weight to it, but it's plastic, and the golden atomizer. Here we go. Quite a good atomizer, not the best but quite nice. Okay, so Majestica by Ajmal 100 ml Eau de Parfum, first impression. Here we go. Ooh, super fresh, so super bright, super fresh. As you can tell from the coloring represents the perfume perfectly. This is exactly what you get here. So it's the green, yellow, bright, happy, sunshine fragrance. Goodness me, what a beauty. Gorgeous. Opens superbly bright, superbly inviting. Is very happy, is very fresh, is very inviting. Super floral. So you need to like your florals here. This one aimed at unisex, women and men can wear it, and I agree with it. It's bang in the middle, at least for first impression, first sniff. Super floral, super floral. There is some underlying pepperiness to it, but the pepper here is happy pepper. It's not a dark pepper. It's very happy. It gives it a fizzy feel. It's like a champagne fizzy. It's like a when you open a champagne, that fizzy feel to it exactly is here. So there are many layers of florals here. I'm getting some rose, I'm getting some white florals like orange blossom, I'm getting something that making a little bit powdery, so I'm guessing it's either tuberose or iris in here as well. Yeah, a little bit of underlying powderiness to it, but absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, and it opened up. Beautiful perfume. There's no syntheticness, there's alcohol, there's no harshness. Very, very beauty, very good quality, very nice, decent quality to it for under £20. What a smell! Holy moly! This is amazing. So it's got underlying woodiness to it, but the woods are happy here again. Probably cedar in here, definitely, because very happy, very bright, very quite light, airy woods. So they're not danky, heavy woods. It's very light and bright and happy woods. And it's got some muskiness to it as well. So that muskiness plus the floral was giving it that little powdery feel. But it's got big fruitiness to it as well. But the fruits again are happy fruit, like peach. There is definitely peachy feel to it. There is definitely some citrus elements here, bergamot, lemon, probably even lime. So it's got a very, very bright, happy opening. Yeah, so far so good. Amazing fragrance. So what to take from this? The first impressions. First thing first, happy, bright, very inviting, very easygoing, very citrus heavy in the beginning, and the fruits are light fruits here, plus very, very dominated by florals, especially white florals. But there's some rose in, but the rose is in background at the moment. But white florals is the main player here, like tuberose. Maybe there's a violet in here because it's got like powdery feel to it. And also the base is woods and musk, so it's quite woody and musky. But again, the woods and musk are happy here, bright, happy. So most likely to be cedar and some musk element as well. Overall, wow, beautiful. 10 out of 10 for this opening. Gorgeous, especially for a price under £20. I'm amazed. Such a gorgeous fragrance. It reminds me of some of the 80s and 90s very, very fresh fragrances. At the moment I cannot put my finger on it, but I smelled similar things to it before. If I remember, then I will let you know. But on its own, this is a very happy, definitely summery, definitely warmer weather, very casual. Yes, it's very easygoing, it's very relaxed. This is superbly relaxed. It basically smells like you're relaxing on a beach and having your cocktail in your hand and just enjoying the beach and the sunny weather and the nice warmth of that beach and the weather and the breeze coming from the sea. There is a watery aspect to it as well. Yeah, definitely there's a watery aspect, but it's not oceanic, it's not salty, it's just watery. It's like it's like a river water or a lake water. Okay, all right guys, if you have it, if you tried it, let other people know your experience. That would be useful. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative or valuable, you know what to do, hit those buttons. And if you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own perfumes from scratch to the perfume. Nobody else is involved, and they are out of this world. They are very artistic, very unique, very intriguing, very sophisticated. But you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye, bye, bye.